everyone, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making one of my very favorite recipes, which is kadaipaneer. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for delicious recipes every single week. Now let's get started. For this recipe, we will need 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped green pepper or capsicum, 1 chopped onion in the form of bulb, 400 grams of paneer, 10 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons cumin and coriander powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 15 to 20 cashews, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, about 1 tablespoon, eight to 10 green chilies, half a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of Kasuri methi, 2 cups of oil, about 2 inches of ginger chopped, half cup fresh cream. Heat a pan on a medium-high flame and add half a cup of oil. Then start frying the cubes of paneer in this oil. Make sure to fry the paneer on both the sides. Once our paneer is fried, remove it into a bowl. And then we will lightly fry the capsicum and the bulb cut onion. It's called bulb cut onion because it is cut like a bulb. We are only lightly frying the onion and the capsicum just for flavor. Adding these to our recipe gives it a really good flavor. After they are fried, we will separate them in the same bowl as the fried paneer. Then we will start making the masala in the same pan. For that, again, add oil to the pan, add cumin seeds, and fry them until they splutter. Then add chopped onion. Add 15 to 20 cashews. And gently mix everything together. Then add garlic cloves, ginger, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and add half a cup of Kasuri methi. Then add roughly chopped tomatoes and mix all of these together. Then we will add some water, green chilies, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, cumin and coriander powder mix, chili powder, and mix all of these together. Add some more water so that our masala does not burn. Then mix everything together. We will then cover the lid and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. In 8 minutes, our tomatoes will be mushy and then we will cool down this mixture and blend it into a paste. It has been 8 minutes and our tomato is now mushy. We will turn off the gas, let it cool, and then we will blend it in a blender. Remove this masala into a blender and blend it really nicely. Our masala is now blended. We will add oil in the same pan and then add the blended masala to this oil. Mix everything together. And then add some water and stir everything together. Then add some salt. Then add 1/4 cup of butter. You can also choose to use ghee instead of butter. Then blend the masala with the butter so that we blend all of the flavors together. Now is the time to create magic and add garam masala powder. Then add coriander leaves and mix everything together. Our masala is now ready, so we will go ahead and add the fried paneer, onion and capsicum that we had already cooked into this masala. Now just mix everything together along with the masala. We will now add some fresh cream to our kadaipaneer. Cream is optional. If you like that rich flavor, you can go ahead and add cream, or you can completely skip this step. Now mix everything together, cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. We will make sure to cook this on a medium-high flame. Our kadai paneer is now ready to serve. It looks delicious and it smells really delicious. I love eating my kadai paneer with some rice, but you can also eat it with roti or naan. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comment section below. Look how delicious and soft the paneer has cooked. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes every single week. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, get spiced and thrive.